Welcome to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I am going to talk about English Grammar Series, lecture number 5. Before this video, I have uploaded 4 videos that contain nouns and its types. So now let's talk about that today's topic. Our today's topic is noun gender. That what is basically gender? The word gender is derived from Latin word, which means Latin word is genus, which means kind or sort. Now, what does gender mean? Gender indicates whether a person or an animal is male or female. Kinds of gender. In English language, genders are of 4 kinds. Number first, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Now let's talk about one by one. The first one is masculine gender, a noun which denotes a male person or an animal is known as masculine gender. Look at these examples. Boy. So boy is what? Male. Brother is what? Male person. Husband is what? Male person. And if we talk about dog, so dog is male animal. Horse is male animal. These all nouns are called masculine gender. Feminine gender, a noun which denotes a female person or an animal is known as feminine gender. Examples of persons: girl, female; sister, female; mother, female; mare, about female animal; bitch, female animal; queen, female. Gender number 3, common gender, a noun which denotes both male and female person or an animal is known as common gender. For example, parents. So parents can be father or mother, can male or female both. Teacher can be male and female both. Student, child, these are about persons. Deer, animal. So it is the name of animal. It can be male and female. Bear, name of animal. It can be male or female, etc. Neuter gender, a noun which denotes neither male and nor female person or animal is known as neuter gender. For example, book. So it does not refer to male person or male animal, or not female person or female animal. Pin, especially refer to things. Table, chair, etc. That's it for